welcome to my channel. I want to show you how to do fake braids on a very short hair as mine. I'm using fake locks. Just stay focused. So to start with, what I do is actually I don't braid the sides of my hair because my hair is a mess. As you can see, my hair doesn't really go very well. The reason I'm doing this way it's because my hair is short. If your hair is long, you can just do cornrows and then you just crochet it in. But since my hair is too short for cornrows, what I'm doing is I have to create like little balls. I have to create tiny little balls and tie them up with a thread. Tie them up with a thread. Sorry, I don't have a cameraman, so I'm using my phone for these videos and I'm doing it myself, so it's kind of, sorry if you cannot see clearly, but so I have to do this on all of this part, tiny little balls. If you have to do all of your hair, you do those tiny little balls all over your hair. See, I'm done with one. Go to the next one. See, that is two now. You just keep doing this until you've done it all over your hair, and then you have to tie it really firm because you want your hair to last at least a month, and you don't have to make them too large. You want the hair to feel full. See, now I'm done with the knots. So, and I've thread my needles. So I'm gonna sew in each lock into each knot. Actually, there's a situation where you can sew in more than two into each knot like this. I didn't do this very tiny, so I'm sure like when I get into the middle part, I'm gonna sew like two into each knot to make the hair full. We almost done. Almost done. We all done. What do you think, guys? If you love it, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.